we get into today's video, I just started a brand new channel, a shorts channel. I'll be posting every single day. I don't post here on the shorts channel, and that's footage that you've never seen. So it's bonus footage. So you guys want to subscribe to the shorts channel, I suggest you do that. And today we put the new bars on, the new holographic union bar. These were custom wrapped. They don't come like this. I spent money to get these wrapped by the guys over at Phenomenal Vinyl, the same guys that wrapped my car, just to get these bars like this. And because of all the comments in the last video, I put them on today and we're going to ride them. I'm doing whatever I can to not scratch these. I'm gonna try whatever I can to fall and catch it, but at the end of the day, I'm riding them, so whatever happens to them, happens. And it looks really cool because when the sun is out, the color is just insane. Hopefully with enough of your comments, Envy could see this as a potential signature bar colorway. Trying to see what's good. I think this would be a cool color. Let me know in the comments if you agree. But this isn't my flat scooter. I don't have the long pegs on here, so I feel limited. Like, I can do the jump tricks, but when I'm on smooth ground like this, I just want to do more peg tricks and manuals and nose manuals. We'll do a few more with this scooter, then we'll transfer over to this, see if we can learn something new today. Now the main reason why I don't want to do too many hop tricks is I don't have my ankle brace on, and I've been riding with an ankle brace for a year just to help with strength. I need my ankle to not get hurt, and with these shoes, my flat shoes, I don't wear an ankle brace because I don't really need one when I'm doing manuals. There's no big impact, but we're still gonna fool around with this. And then I really want to take this scooter to the city this week. I'm gonna bring it around, actually ride probably a skate park, street spots. This is gonna be the bar I'm gonna be riding for a little bit. I don't know how long. If you guys want me to continue to ride this bar, let me know in the comments. Tag Envy, tag me, tag yourself, tag your dogs. Let them know, because I want to know if this is worth it. Like, you tell me if you like this, and then we'll see if we can make it happen. Weird tricks are the fun tricks. I feel like every single trick here wasn't a real serious trick, but it's a trick that just put a smile on my face the entire time. And it's tricks that you could probably learn in a couple minutes. And any trick is a trick at the end of the day. Some tricks you don't see on those everyday Instagram clips, but there are a lot of tricks that you don't see that exist and that are fun. And a lot of them that we just did now are the fun ones. I'm going to gently place this one down right here, and I have my other scooter, which a lot of you have been asking how many scooters I have. I have two. I have my regular scooter for street, park, all the above, commuting, and then I have my flat one. The difference is that I ride the bars a little smaller. I ride the thermal bars a little smaller, and I have 4 pegs, really long pegs, and I actually shaped the deck out. You can see my signature deck. This one's cut up a little bit. I don't recommend this because it doesn't make it strong. It makes it weaker. But because I'm on the ground, I'm not really jumping off things with this, it's fine. So that's the difference. That's the bigger deck too. That's the 5x21. And this is the smaller version of my signature deck, just for flat, because I really need to pass the scooter between my legs and do tricks over the bars and move the deck faster. So with a smaller deck, smaller scooter, you can do that. Depends on how you ride. For me, this geometry is perfect for flatland. And we're gonna do 5 tricks. And this is actually the first video that I filmed that's gonna be released today. Like, I'm filming this probably 2 hours before it gets uploaded. Usually I have videos in advance, but I have a few videos that I want to line up during the week that I don't want to put out yet. Very, very fun, very good. You guys should be super excited for the videos I'm putting up this week and the videos that are going on the Shorts channel. Oh, it was dumb. Why did I do that? I see a lot of BMX platinum videos, and they have this thing where they just do a throw bar spin while they're doing a manual. And I thought it'd be cool. Jam my finger. Not bad though. We're good. Try to do one more trick, and then try to learn a new trick. That's the goal for today. Oh, that was weird. I'm such a picky rider. That was a brand new world's first trick, but I mean, you saw it, right? Like that looked crazy. But what I want to do is I want to do a full bar spin. Right now I'm doing half of a bar spin, and to me that's not really, that's why I'm taking it, you know, because it's half of the trick and it's half the cleanliness, so that's why I'm taking that trick. It is a brand new trick, no one's done it. I'm pretty sure no one's done it on a bike either, so it's like a super world's first. That makes any sense? Is there like a difference between a world's first and a super world's first? When a super world's first is something that no one's done on any sport, and then there's like a world's first in like your sport, no idea. I don't like saying it too much, or I don't like naming tricks, so that's like, I'm like the worst person to ask. But that is a brand new trick, and we have the brand new bars that I'll be taking with me to this street spot. It is the best street spot I've ever seen, ever. I've been to. I've been there already. I filmed it. The video is ready to go. Just, it's going up on Wednesday. So if you guys want to see that, please subscribe to the channel. Please like. It is the craziest street spot you've ever seen, and it was really far, and we brought these bars, we rode them. Such a good day, such a good video. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy these bars. If you want me to continue to ride them, leave them on until they're disintegrated. I will continue. It looks sick, it feels sick. Union bar is my favorite bar. The color is my favorite color, obviously my deck, my car, and now my bars. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and of course the new Shorts channel. I'll be putting a bunch of bonus footage that you don't see on here or Instagram or anywhere else on the Shorts channel. So if you guys want to subscribe to that, it's more of a mobile phone friendly style channel, so you can watch your vertical videos, have a good time when you're going, and then when you come home, grab the popcorn, sit, chill, watch these videos. Depends on where you are. I'll be posting on that channel. Every day I don't post on this channel, so if you want to see a new video every single day, make sure you subscribe to that channel too. Appreciate you guys coming through for this video. Can't wait to keep riding these bars, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.